Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Plug the case in or confirm battery, then enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep the Bluetooth settings screen open. Once done, open the Bose QuietComfort Ultra case to wake the earbuds. If they don't turn on automatically, press and hold the right earbud power sensor for about 3 seconds. Make sure you're within 1 meter of the phone so the earbuds can broadcast a clear pairing signal. This immediate sequence reduces discoverability issues and speeds pairing. You should now put the earbuds into explicit pairing mode. To do that, press and hold both touch surfaces for about 5 seconds until the LEDs flash blue-white. That indicates discoverable mode. Next, on your phone, tap Bose QC Ultra from the available devices list. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the list or toggle Bluetooth off and on. Once selected, accept any pairing or permission prompts. This lets audio and controls route correctly. If a PIN appears, try 0000 or you're almost done. Confirm connection by playing audio and testing pause /play and active noise canceling so you know both sound and controls work. If the earbuds don't connect, first restart your phone and put the earbuds back in the case for 10 seconds, then retry pairing. This clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts. If issues persist, perform a factory reset by holding sensors for 10 seconds until amber and white flash, then reattempt pairing. This reset removes stale device records and resolves persistent pairing failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.